Now we'll add our ice cold water. We're going to add 5 tablespoons at first. If it needs more, then we'll add another 2, up to another 2, 4. Oops, don't get that ice cube. 5. Now we don't want to overwork this dough at all, so we're just going to stir it in until it starts to form a ball, and then we'll stop. Okay, I think this needs a little bit more water. We'll add another tablespoon. Just kind of spread it around over there. And then continue to stir that. When it feels like it's coming together, then we'll put it on our work surface. I think that's ready to come. Let's get our work surface out. We'll just flour that a little and turn the, it's very crumbly, but that's fine. Now we don't want to overwork it. We're going to gather it up into a ball, and we're going to cut this in half because this is for a 2-crust pie, and just gather that up into a disc and shape it. We'll wrap that with plastic wrap and get it into the refrigerator to rest. There we go. Now we're ready to make our pie filling.